Welcome to Nanaimo Toyota. We've completely renovated our store. Not only will we walk you through all the new renovations, but also the different services that we offer you. Come with me. We have product advisors here at Nanaimo Toyota that have been fully trained through the Toyota University. They're able to explain leasing, financing, and of course cash. They can go over each option so you can make an informed decision. When it's time to pick up your new Toyota, it'll be waiting here in our delivery showroom. And our product advisors will be ready to answer all your questions and go over all the new features of your car. They'll also explain all the new safety features, like your dynamic cruise control and your pre-collision. We'll set up your Bluetooth and go over the new navigation system with you. We'll also set up your new vehicle with the Toyota app, so when it's time for service, they'll let you know. You've purchased a great vehicle and now you're going to need some great service. Our service advisors are waiting for you right now as we speak. We also have our parts department that's ready to help you with any accessories or parts that you may need for your vehicle down the road. Our new service drive-thru is state-of-the-art and we can't wait for you to see it. So in our new service drive-thru, we've installed a new wheel alignment diagnostic system. And what it does is it tells us who's in the vehicle, what your tire tread is, if your tires need alignment, so we can get you in and out of service and back into the race. If you decide to stay with us while we work on your car, we have a great coffee bar. You can get yourself a cafe mocha or just a regular coffee. Also, we have our technology center where you can do your work, set up your laptop, charge your cell phone, or phone your friends. Thanks for coming in, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. We're looking forward to seeing you again real soon, so please come on by and ask for one of us to give you your own personal tour. See you soon.